Come on, you people.
What's up, guys and gals? So I just thought I'd kind of fill you guys in before we get to the video about where I'm at as far as finding a job. So I've kind of applied at a few fleet positions for you know, like delivery companies, a couple city jobs. What else did I apply for? I'm still waiting to hear back on, I pretty much got it, but I have to make sure everything goes through, as a part-time automotive instructor at a community college here. I also saw one of my old co-workers today from Toyota, and he left the dealership as well, and he's been working at one of the military bases where I live, under contract, basically fixing military equipment. That is a salaried or hourly position, and he gave me the information, told me to apply. So if I wanted to, I could get a job there. I also did talk to a BMW Mini Tesla specific shop that's a little ways out, or it's in a different town from where I live. It's about a 45-minute drive to and from. But I talked to him for a good 45 minutes, and he used to be a tech. He only works on BMW Mini Tesla, and he pays for training. He doesn't do free diag. I explicitly asked him if he charges for diag, and you know, being a BMW Mini shop, he's obviously aware that these cars need diag almost all the time. So I may go back to a shop. I haven't made up my mind yet. It's a weird like change for me. I don't know if I want to stay in the industry because I make a lot of money and I'm really good at it, and just find a good employer, but I need to interview the shop more than they interview me, because I know I can fix the cars, I know what I'm doing, but I need to make sure that the shop knows what they're doing and that the shop actually pays their employees. So I think I'm taking that approach. So I've applied for stuff that's not automotive as well, but you know, I can't completely leave. I have a massive investment in tools, and it's hard. You know, I've been doing this ever since I was 18. I've been fixing cars, working on cars, and it's weird trying to leave. It's weird interviewing for like positions that I have literally no experience in. You know, it's weird feeling like I'm starting at the bottom, and I don't enjoy it. And it's also weird when they ask me what my salary expectations are, because I've made well into the six figures the last 5 years of my life. So it's hard to try to humble myself and say, you know, I'll only make 50 grand or 60 grand, or it's a strange feeling. So I haven't fully decided what I'm doing, but you know, I'm done working for shitty shops for sure. I'm gonna start making sure that they are good shops that pay their techs and believe in training and believe in knowledge and believe in charging the customer for fixing their broken car. So anyways, I'm headed to Joe's shop now. We gotta reboot an axle, swap out an axle in his 911. He put in some different axles because one of the boots is torn, and then that axle failed. So we have to reboot one of the old axles, slap it back in the car so he can at least drive his 911, because he's too good for a Mini apparently. So that's where we are, rebooting an axle.
Are we? We're trying.
Attempting.
We're sealing an axle.
Yeah, the clamps that we got were too big.
Do better, FCP.
So they do not fit. Yeah, FCP, you're failing us here.
Fun. Should we try a zip tie?
Yeah, but we found these cool metal zip ties that should at least get us by, so Joe can drive his LS Porsche, because he's too good for a supercharged Mini apparently.
No, I've been driving it for a week now, and I have not been happy about it.
I wonder why you were walking around with a limp wrist today.
That was a sigh, if you couldn't hear it. No, the Mini's fine. It's just about 350 horsepower shy of that one.
Here it is, fully built.
Resealed.
Well, fully booted.
Resealed.
Now we gotta put it in this pile of junk.
Yeah. Those Chevys, you know.
Much gooder. Good.
Why?
It's not supposed to spin independently.
Well, that's a feature.
It's called limited slip.
Maximum slip?
It looks like it was overextended. So it got popped out, and then you drove it, it was fine for a little while, and then one of those balls just caught weird and it just
Snap. You ready for this?
Give me the shaft, Daddy. Just a reminder too, when you tighten any suspension bolt that has a bushing, so like for instance that lower strut or these upper arms, there's a bushing in there, you have to tighten them with the car at ride height. You can't tighten them at full drift because it'll destroy the bushings.
Hey Colin, I did not do that when I installed the suspension on this car. Now it's going tight until it loosens, right?
Yeah. Good luck.
Tight. Okay. Well, I think that's probably good.
No oil on the dipstick, eh?
Well, the dipstick is at the top of that pan. Oh, there's a little.
Oh,
Not much though.
it's all right.
Needs a quart and a half.
Go follow Joe on Instagram. That's his handle right there. Look at the pure concentration on Joe's face right now.
I'm pretty good at concentrating on pouring oil into a funnel. You do it a lot when you have this engine in this car.
Never below 3,000 RPMs this car
Oh, once or twice.
a day.
You know, when you turn the key off.
Right? What do you think would be cooler? LS swapped 911 or K24 turbo swapped 911?
Is the axle holding?
Feels like it.
That's good. Hey, your shirt's the same color. You should just take this car. shut it down. Very quickly.
Too quick. Much gooder.
Hey, look at that. Oh, bumped.
Okay, I want one.
Yeah?
Actually, I think a K24 swap 911 would be cool.
Whoa. Whoa.
That pisses people
Some
off.
pretty strong words you're using.
2 more cylinders or 2 less cylinders?
You gotta make your decision.
I think it'd be pretty sick. We should do it.
I wanna do it in that one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That one up there. But we gotta get that running first.
Or do we? They're about in the same level of completeness. Well, okay, no. The engine is built for the BMW.
Right, that's why we should get. So we need to know what you guys think we should do with the E30. Do we make it a drift car, track car, drag car? We don't know. Or just make it a nice, clean, runnable E30 because there's not a lot of them.
There's too many door dings.
Okay, it can't be clean because there's too many door dings, Joe says. So it has to be a race car. I personally think a drift car. So
How about a racing drift car?
Oh.
Drift racing car.
a time attack drift car.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay, I'm down. Time attack drift car. And on that note, that's it for this channel. Let me know in the comments what you think we should do with the E30 so we can get that going and then we can start working on the other 911. So, till next time, thanks.